Hi, this is Jamie from 50/50 Fitness Nutrition, and I'm going to show you how to sign up for your targeted training program slot. All right, so we're going to start off by navigating to 5050fitnessnutrition.com. Just type that in, hit enter. It's going to load you up to our homepage. Once we hit on the homepage, we're looking at the new client section, and welcome to our community, targeted strength training programs. We click that. Once we click it, it's going to open us up to our targeted strength programs. You can scroll down. There's an awesome video, really. It tells some testimonials of what the targeted program is all about. You can click on that for more information. As we scroll down further, this is if you want to request to have a one-on-one with us. And as we scroll down further, there's a click here to purchase. So as you can see, in the past, I've already loaded one up because I'm doing 2 times per week. Here, I'm going to take one off. I'm going to jump back into it. So if I were doing 2 times per week, I would have it all set up. Once I've done that, I'm clicking Next. This is where I'd log into my account or create an account. So I could click the Create an Account button right under here. I would scroll. You can hear that there's stuff going on upstairs where I live. They're redoing the floors, I think. So we can scroll down, we can put our information in. Good, get it, check the box off, and hit Create Account. Good, and then you would put in your payment information, and then you would finish off. After that, you're going to get redirected. It's sent over right here to a thank you page. As we scroll down the thank you page, there's going to be a pick your targeted training slot. We're going to click the targeted training slot. It's going to open us up to our mind body here. So this is our mind body program that we're using, targeted training. When it starts, it tells you the day, Monday, from when to when, 8:30 to 9:30 a.m. It gives you some description. Good. It gives you some more questions about it, and then you would click a enroll button right here to pick that slot. We can scroll down because we're going to have some specifics coming down. You can also see a trainer who's going to be doing this. This one's Emily. That's Wednesdays, 7 to 8 p.m. Mike Carlson, 6:30 to 7:30 a.m. on Thursdays. And then once we get a little further, there's going to be like a Saturday one, women's intermediate weight training. That's from 11 a.m. to noon. And then introduction to weight training is from 12 to 1. So that's it. You click on enroll. You're into your account. You may have to sign in, use the same credentials you used when you sign up for the account, and you plug it in over here. But that's it. You purchase, you're done. We'll send you an email thanking you, and also to let you know what's going on with it and send you some bonus content as well. Well, thank you for watching, and we'll see you in Targeted.